All right. I'm gonna turn on the face cam in a second. Give me a second. What's up? All right. We should be good. And all right, I turned on the face cam. All right, we're good. All right. You should be chilling now. All right. We're good. We're good. What's up, guys? I'm getting a haircut today. Don't worry. Today's gonna be the last day with this long hair. Bro, what is going on, dude? This chair. What's up? Who we got in stream? Sorry I didn't go live at 8:30. I said I was gonna go live at like 8:20. But we had no data wake, so I didn't really need to. See. Okay, I'm gonna do some higher time frame here. We're gonna start on the daily. Okay. No SMTs on the daily. Nice. We're at all-time highs, so bullish. Like bullish by default, basically. 4 hour has not closed above yet. This 4 hour gap here. No SMTs. Damn, these are equal highs. These could look good. We have equal highs here, all-time highs, bullish. 15-minute pullback here. Yeah, 15-minute equal highs look good. We don't have an hourly gap yet. But pull back into this 15-minute. We got the equal highs above. Closed above on the 15-minute. Really, for the most part, just gonna see what we get, to be honest. We already took out London low, London high, Asia low, Asia high. Previous day low is here. Previous day high already got taken out. So don't really, just more of a bullish coming into today because all-time highs, and we have these equal highs up here that look really good. What's up, Snoop? Let me see if those are equal highs. Yes. Okay, so it's this high. No, it's not. We're not gonna look at that for an SMT. Just gonna look for these equal highs, to be honest. Yeah, I don't really have anything. Probably just going for market open. Maybe we get an AMD here. Price looks like it's like slowing down. This is 15 minutes is closed. Why did I take that 1 minute short? I wasn't on. And there's equalize, so completely against my rules. 15-minute equalize, so invalid. I'm gonna go for now. All right. Like Forex Factor. Do you have anything else today? No, one of the days we have 10 a.m. news, right? No. No, we don't. Actually, we have no 10 a.m. news this week. No, we do Friday. Friday. Sorry. 8:30 and 10 a.m. Friday. So we still have 10 minutes to market open. We have this low, we have some, like these lows down here. This one actually has a 15-minute gap there. Still have 8 minutes to market open. So kind of just waiting. We're looking for probably one of these two lows. That'd be like a 10 AM reversal. That could be good, but Let's see. Bro, we should be at almost market open now. Bro, logged in, take profit. Okay, we're good. Guys, we're at 4 legs right now. Can we run it up hit 5? We're 1 away. And we're about to be at market open. I'm gonna go throw my we got like a minute and a half. I'm gonna throw my clothes in the dryer. Never mind, my clothes aren't done yet. Is there data high? No. There's no data high. We have equal highs. What someone said in chat is the data week. 30 seconds. And there we go. Here we go. Market open. Okay. Seems like I might leave a 930 low here. Just marking it out. Might not leave it. We might just leave it high, which would definitely be the move. Leaving a 930 high. So we have a 930 high and a 930 low. I just want to see which one gets left. Because whichever one we end up leaving could be a good target. I would honestly prefer, us to take out the lows, then get a long up. Still have those equal highs above, so I'm bullish. And we're at all-time highs, so I'm bullish. So I really want us to leave this 930 high so we could, maybe we take out the 930 high and we get like this. We generate some liquidity, then long. Now this 930 low is an equal low. No, it's not. We took it out. Barely. Okay, there we go. Nice. Now we left the 930 high, swept this low. Yeah, so unfortunately there's no setup here for like a Judas swing entry. What entries could we have? Let's see. 15, maybe 30. Okay, we just tapped in a 30-minute gap here. Took out that low on the 1 minute. But now we have no gaps to long off of here. So we don't really have anything as of right now. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, now what I'm kind of hoping for is this, but definitely seems like we're going to take that 930 eye. I don't want us to, but okay, yep, now we took it. Now we don't really have anything. That could have been the Judas swing with no entry, dude. In the 15-second. Yeah, 15-second didn't even have anything. Yeah, not entering off of this because it's a 15-minute, but maybe we get a close above. When does the next 15-minute close? 45. Close above. Maybe get a pullback onto like a 5-minute setup and then a continuation model. Maybe that. Like we close above. Oh gosh. Close above. Something like that. That could be a possibility. Close above on the 15-minute. Get a pullback to a 5-minute gap or something. Deliver and go up. Something like that. Could be good entry here. So we got the 5-minute there. Sucks that we had no setup there, dude. Yeah. Check for an SMT. Really hoping we leave these equal highs. $2 minute. We have a 2 minute gap for delivery. 1 minute. I'm gonna see my clothes are done. Never mind, they're not done. They're almost done. So we just got a like a continuation model here, but don't really like this too much. And the equal highs are nice, but I prefer like okay, so we just hit the internal here. I would prefer us to come back down. I'll just forward test this, but I hope this fails, to be honest. What's that? All right. Yeah, we're still forward testing this, guys. By the way, I'm not taking this. I gotta go finish moving my stuff. Do not worry. All right, what's up? Yo, what? It's raining, bro. What? It starts raining out of nowhere. All right, now this is nice. Pulling back to this 5 minute gap here, exactly like I wanted. 15 minute didn't even hold there. Damn. Damn. Yo, this is a forward test, bro. What even caused that, dude? I gotta check financial juice. That's crazy. All right, now where's the 5 minute gap that I'm looking for? Or 15 minute? We just tapped into this 5 minute right here. A lot of people longing the 5 minute without the 15 minute closing. Yeah, 15 minutes the highest time frame. That's a fat L, bro. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. 5 minutes this one actually. 5 minutes just closed below. So now I'm definitely gonna want maybe like a resweep of this sell side here. 5 minutes just closed below. So 5 minute iFVG here, giving us bearish conditions. There's a condition, sorry. I wanted to long off of it, but we inversed it, so it makes sense for price to do this now. If price could do it like that, that would be perfect. 10 a.m. though. 10 a.m. reversal. Give us a 10 a.m. reversal. One minute didn't close below. The 5 minute did. Yeah. Guys, do you guys know why we had that candle? Guys, do you know why we had that candle? Financial juice just updated. He said, I'm considering a major lawsuit against Powell. Trump said that. I will sue Powell over construction of the Fed buildings. I'm considering allowing a major lawsuit against Powell to proceed because of the horrible and grossly incompetent job he has done managing the construction of the Fed buildings. Isn't it a 20-second chart? Okay, we might have a 1 minute here. We might have the ideal scenario here, guys. Trump's news might have just saved us. Trump's news might have just saved us. Might have just saved us the equal eyes, guys. Come on, we need the equal eyes. The low at the 15-minute gap. Trump's news might have just given us a setup. Trump saying he's gonna sue Powell is insane. No, it's still going down. Look at this candle. This candle was before news. 17 points. But the 15-minute didn't hold, bro. Oh, that's what he means. Okay, yeah. That's funny. That was still a trash setup, bro. Uh, that was still a trash setup, bro. Come on. Take out this low. Give us a setup down here. Maybe a mech model. Oh, 3 minutes. We don't need 3 minutes or 5 minutes to target for the mech model. We have this gap, but there's no sweep here. Yeah, there's not even SMT here. Yeah, so I don't really like this here. Let's see if this fails, guys. Let's see. Stop us to be here. You could target, like, I don't know. Let's just try it out to 1 hour, see if it works. And again, I'm not taking this. You would see executions on my screen. Let's see. This should fail. Or hopefully it does. Because we don't even have a higher time frame to target for like a Mac model. You lost your trade because of me? What did I do? I haven't taken anything today. Oh, alright. Yeah, I hope this doesn't work, to be honest. I want price to come down. If we leave that 3 minute, that'll be perfect. We could get a mech model to it, maybe. Or leave a 5 minute. We might tap into the 3 minute, but leave a 5 minute. Hopefully we don't tap into either one. Do aim for 1 for 1. Majority of the times are 1 to 2. Well, I'm not taking this trade. I was just drawing it out to a 1 to 1 to see if this one worked, but I didn't want it to work. This one I was hoping failed. But normally I just target liquidity. So like if liquidity is 1 to 1, then I'll take it. But liquidity is 1 to 2, then I'll take that. And there was no SMT at these lows. So no sweep or anything, so I don't like this. So it did hit a 1 to 1, but did we leave a gap here? What if we did? We just tapped into it. And we tapped into the 5 minute, dude. We just made it, bro. Whatever. People that are just like straight up taking like the Trash's trades today are gonna be eating, bro. It seems like it's 15 minutes from before, though, right? Yeah, that's the one that held. This 15 minutes seems to be holding here as well. I just want us to come down here and take out this low so we can deliver off this 15 minute. And we have the equal highs above. I really don't want us to hit those equal highs yet. I will be leaving a runner to these equal highs if we get a setup. Okay, so break even would have been there. Unless you took full TP at a 1R, but oh my gosh. It's going to work. I might fill the 50% of the gap. It filled the gap, but we didn't even get the sweep there, so I didn't like that. We would have gotten a sweep there of this low and delivered off the 15-minute gap, then I would have taken it, but unfortunately we did not get that. So it's fine. Kind of hoping for this 10 a.m. reversal. I'll see how the 10 a.m. opens. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water quick up in the back. What the hell, dude? What the hell, dude? Talking about the 1-minute gap we just filled the middle. Oh yeah. Okay, so we just tapped into this 15-minute. Together though. $30. Unfortunately, we already filled the 3-minute. Unfilled 15-minute. Nope. Unfilled 5-minute. We already filled it. No 3-minute. Yeah, nothing here. Honestly, it might be better to come and get a sweep of a better low, so we can build up some stuff. Sorry. Oh, thank you, bro. So we have a 2-minute about to form here. So we have a 2-minute there. Seems like we're coming down. We might. This kind of seems like LRL here. Maybe not like the best, but might take that. We have a very tiny 15-minute here. 5-minute as well. Both 5 and 15-minute here. Maybe we just dump through these, take out previous day low, and get along there. Or this 5-minute holds. We'll see. the last 5 minute here. No way, these are all just red candles. Do you make it stay straight line when stretching it out? Oh, shift. Drag it and then hit shift. Did not leave a 3 minute or 5 minute. $25. Bro, this is gonna be like a horrible. This is like horrible. Hold shift same time, yeah. One minute. I would believe that. I'm not gonna lie. And we just tapped into it. Let's see if this is yep, there you go. Would have been break even or loss if you didn't move stop to break even. So no, not really. Bro, if I were to squish it down. With this, I fucking forgot I was streaming, bro. Yeah, I was just like, why are you clicking to switch in the time frame so fast? But I don't know, dude. So we just inverse this. That's not the highest time frame though. We have the 4 minute is the highest time frame here, delivering off the 5 minute, and we didn't sweep anything. So I don't really know how much I like this. We'll see. Is there an unfilled gap we could target, dude? 15 minute? No. 5 minute? No. 4 minute? Yeah, there's unfilled 4 minute. 3 minute all the way up there. But it's like really far. Let's see. How many cons would I use? Oh, I need to go on. Yeah, I need to go on MNQ, dude. That was like, what, 300 now? This is just cooked though. I don't want to take this. It's really far. Now watch this work. Go all the way to the where was it? Yeah, those are the equal highs. This is the equal highs here. We just had no liquidity sweep here. Again, I'm not in this, guys. There's no real good break even. The equal highs are nice, but I'll prefer a better setup. Bro, I'm just watching the different time frames. That's why I'm kind of skipping back and forth. Am I taking 4 minute? No, I would have already been in it. There's no sweep for this setup. We have an SMT here. We do have an SMT here. So we have this little gap here. It's like 1 minute with the SMT here. Here's what we have. We have previous day low still, like I put it out earlier. We have an SMT with this. Because this is previous day low here. The SMT here. This 1 minute. We have an unfilled 3 minute as well, but short in the 1 minute. $9.30 to $10.30 range opens below the midpoint. And years of debt on that, really? 9:30 to 10:30 range opens below the midpoint of that range. 70. Oh, below the range. So see this 5 minute. We'll see what happens here. I want to see a reaction to this high in this 15-minute gap here. There's no way we're gonna run to these equal highs like I wanted, but with no setup. I mean, technically this is a setup, but So now there's the 5 minute, but that 5 minute I feel like would be a late entry because it's so high up. Like this. I feel like that would be like, bruh, just horrible. Not short yet. Might close above it. Yeah. So if we kind of just go through this 5 minute, I'm gonna look for like a confirmation long here. Not confirmation long, but a continuation. So maybe something like that. 3 minutes. So we do have an opportunity for a 3 minute short here. If we deliver off the 5 minute and versus 3 minute, that's a possible like short entry. Let's see. No 4 minute, no 5 minute. So yeah, 3 minute makes the most sense here. With break even at the 5 minute gap here. So risk to reward on this. That's like 2R. That to the internal though. See, how do we close on this 5 minute? Oh, we don't have a 5 minute on MNQ. Okay, 5 minutes seems like it's bad at inverse. We had good rejection there for a second, but okay, so now we're bullish. 5 minute closed above. So now I'm bullish. Back to being bullish here. That 5 minute did not hold. Now, possible like we need to pull back in delivery. Possible 30-second here for a continuation, but definitely going to be like horrible risk to reward. See, so it closed there. So the 5 minute closed. That sucks, bro. It's like negative R too. Should do like a stop here. Am I just not gonna take anything today, bro? Like again, we still have 30 minutes, but for the midpoint now, if it stays above 80% chance of getting hit before noon. Yeah. I'm just not gonna take anything today. I don't want to enter it late, so I guess maybe if we get a pullback. Maybe we could get in. We get a good pullback here. This could be, we could get in. Oh, I want to get in on this, dude, but it's already so far. This would kind of ruin my risk to reward. Stop loss like right there. We'll see if we get tagged in here. Okay, I'm in there. Horrible entry, bro, but wait. Horrible entry, but we'll look for a 1R. It's 3 of them, right? Yeah. A little bit of a late entry here, but should be chilling. I don't know why there's no gap here on the just go for all-time highs. Where's all-time highs? Yeah, there's a little bit above it. Well, my 1R is all the way a little bit down here. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I can't see my executions. I'm gonna go ahead and reset my trading view real quick because I can't see my executions. It's gonna launch my trading view, please. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, it's showing now. There we go. It sucks that we can't really see the gap here on MNQ though. My entry would have been a little bit lower, would have been right here, but just looking for a 1R. Pretty much all time highs, but I'm gonna just take a 1R, dude. I mean, what's the full R here? Bro, I literally selected the line tool, bro. What is going on? It's the R of this. Yeah, I guess that wouldn't be bad. All time highs 1.1. These are equal highs. I just don't have them marked out here on MNQ. Sorry. There, I have them marked on NQ already, but we're gonna target all time highs. May do BSM. Equal highs, they should be like italics. Wait, where is all time highs? 845 or 848? Mine's at 848 on. It is 845. Yeah, I'm gonna target 845 then. 840. This is all time highs then. Are we gonna be in this for a while, dude? I'm not gonna lie. Break even is definitely gonna be at this high right here. Now watch it go to where my entry should have been. We have a CISD with this high. That's good. So we're targeting like basically 1 hour here, all time highs. I'm gonna watch for. Oh no, there's not gonna be SM2 with all time highs. Never mind. All time highs is really, really far. With the RB. Okay, pretty much exactly the same R's if I were targeting these equals. Yeah. Oh well. Let's see. Yeah, we're just chopping right now. %81 for New York AM high. Now IB closed above. All right, let's go. This should be good. On Lucid X. I don't know what Lucid X is. Bruh, my headphones just turned off. I know what you talked about with like the New York, with like the open 9:30 and 10:30. I don't really know anything about it, but yeah, if it's a higher, you see trading's Project X. Okay, but yeah. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be sitting here for a while. Maybe this macro helps us out. Backtesting report. You can do backtesting on TradingView. I think you do replay mode. Just add stuff like two for bias because it gives clear probabilities. So you can play for that side. Okay, that's cool. I don't really know anything about it, bro, but if it works, bro, and like you're in here all the time, bro, just let me know. I don't really pay attention to like 9:30 open, but yeah, it's cool. We're gonna be sitting here for a while. Want a good close, dude. Give us a good close. For me, it was more of like 10 a.m. open was like open low. It seems like we're gonna get open low high close. Give us a good 5-minute close here, dude. 5-minute closes are sucking right now. We still have another 10 minutes to the macro. Look at this price action. Right after I enter too. An OB here would be nice. Don't think we're gonna get the OB though. Okay, wait. Yo, does anybody in chat knows OB? Does it need to close above the wick, or would this now be an OB? Like, if it closes above the body. So this would be OB, right? Okay, yeah. I don't know why. I just couldn't remember if it was above the wick or above. Yeah, I like this close. 70 points. 15. Bro. Holy crap, dude. We're going to be sitting here for a while. Holy crap, dude. This lower time frame looks so bad, bro. .15 minute possible, 15-minute there. But this closes around here at least. If it retraces a lot before 10 a.m. New York opens, it's going to be a long day. Yeah, it's going to be annoying. Like, it's really hard to even tell where the OB is in here, dude. It's not like a straight move down and then it closed back up. It's like it was chopping back and forth the whole time. 4 minutes holding price down. No. No, dude, we're just chopping, bro. What trade did I enter, Jackie Lamb? You're in from lower. My entry was this 5 minute. $81 stop. Should I guess, bro? It's a 1R. That's why you just use less contracts. 15 got to close above previous one. Yeah. These equal highs and all-time highs just bullish, so. Sucks that I didn't get in from here. This is where I wanted to get in, but I was waiting for it to pull back because I kind of missed it. Hoping this macro can give us this move to the all-time highs. Gosh, bro. Bro. But we're just chopping here, dude. What is going on? Did we form that 15 minute yet? Okay, we did form that 15 minute. Want this 15 minute to hold. Okay, we're back, guys. Let's see. Someone sent something to the Discord. What did it take? Oh, it took 1 minute. That was such a bad 1 minute, but it worked. The 3 minute was good on that one. Should have gotten this entry. Let's see. Okay, iFVG in the 1 minute. iFVG in the 30-second. Okay. We get a good close here on this 5 minute. Still got 30 seconds. You're gonna say break even at new internal high? Maybe. Probably not. So that's a good close. I like that. I mean, it's not a good close, but it's showing that we're holding this 15-minute gap, which I like. Let's see, ES is getting close to my draw, but it's not hit the draw yet. Why is ES moving to my draw, but NQ won't, bro? We're in the macro now, so. I'm watching to see if we hit the high here. We form this SMT. Yeah, I'm gonna move break even here. I'm gonna move break even there because we have a fat SMT. I really want, if we're really gonna like have this equal high as our draw, then we should just run to it. We're in the macro. SMT at the highs. Okay, so we just took our draw there. Big SMT with our draw. We still have all-time highs. So I hope kind of ES and NQ run for all-time highs here, because all-time highs are really far on ES. So it'll give us some time on NQ to catch up, and we'll maybe go for all-time highs at like the same time. But yeah. Go ahead and mark out all-time highs on ES real quick. Only 3 cons. I'll move my break even right there. But that's below. Right there. All right, we're chilling. Only 3 cons, so not crazy fees, but 1.2 R. I'll go ahead and mark out where the break even was. Okay, maybe we put in a CISD here, a BOS on this 5-minute. Please put in a BO, bro. There's not even much of a CISD at that point either. Hopefully this BPR holds. Kind of the only thing I can hope for here. And yeah. All right. Break even on the day. Horrible entry. Wouldn't have been break even yet if I was in at the right time. But let's see if the break even hits. I just generate LRL here. Dude, no way it still hits. Bro, please just go break even, bro. ES for optimize. Yeah. Dude. If it hits break even for me and then oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna get off here. It's pretty much 11. And as soon as I enter, price just chops, but it's whatever. Just TP'd on my ES long is nice, bro. ES is moving so much cleaner than NQ. You're targeting the same thing, I'm assuming. But yeah. Like, what is this, bro? What is NQ doing, bro? NQ's like sleeping right now, bro. Yeah. And of course, my entry was ass, so I got stopped at break even here when I wouldn't have been stopped at break even if I had the right entry. But yeah, I was break even with those SMTs there and everything. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Let me see. I should be up on the day a little bit for my thing. Yeah, $3. Yeah. So now it's gonna run to my TP as soon as I barely get ticked at break even. Anyways, but whatever. I'm gonna get off. I'll see you guys tomorrow here on stream.